y'all, and happy Mother's Day here from Southern Coastal Cooking. Making my mom's favorite dish. She loves salmon on the grill or on the smoker. And what I've got here, this is some of the, they call it fried rice seasoning. It's just like, it's got some like ginger powder in here, a little bit of soy powder, some, what are these? Sesame seeds, stuff like that. I wish I had the...
And we got cookies over there.
Yeah, we got some cookies too. So I'm gonna put this on here, all right, and then I'm gonna put the salmon in the refrigerator and let it just kind of dry, you know, for an hour or two before we put it on the smoker. But this is just what we want to do. We want to get the seasoning on there, just a light seasoning, and just let it hang out in the fridge. And we'll get it out in the Lone Star here in a little bit. And that's what we're gonna do here for Mother's Day. One, two, three. All right, y'all, so we're about to put the fish on the Lone Star. I got some cedar planks down there. And we'll take the fish and we're just gonna set it right there on those planks. Oh yeah. I've got it set about 275. Let it go on. We're checking about 15 minutes for temperature. So I actually had it on 225 for the first 15 minutes. Get a little smoke. I cranked it up to 275. We'll check it again in another 15 minutes. Y'all, so the fish is pretty much done. Looks wonderful right there. You know, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little glaze on. I love this Japanese barbecue sauce. I think this will go excellent on the fish. We'll just glaze it with this. And like I said, it's about 130 degrees, 135 or so. That's just where we want it. So, yeah, we'll just put a little bit of that glaze on there. You know, I think that's gonna be it right there. That's beautiful. Y'all, it is done, ready to go. Just want to test it. Look at that. Beautiful, flaky. Oh yeah. Try. Yeah. A+, y'all. Happy Mother's Day. Y'all please like and subscribe. God bless. Y'all have a good one.